Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Okay, so let's get right to it. SMCI doing all right here, guys. Preparing for something drastic. We've got, we got few stocks to watch for today. Tesla doing all right. We got SYTA hit our target in the pre-market and now is pulling back down. We got BLMZ the same double top right now. TMC still squeezing, and NRXS just jumping at the moment. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. TMC, one of the top stocks that we discussed early today, guys, in our pre-markets. We already spotted this breakout early today, guys, for TMC, and it's still jumping now. Last update that we did for TMC was yesterday with the SYTA. SYTA was yesterday good entry around the $3.61. And TMC 457 was the breakout. Those two updates we did yesterday, guys. The other two updates, like PTIX wasn't good because pulled back, and FAAS pulled back. So we have only two that did really great yesterday on our Hunter channel. For now, yes, we've got a few stocks to watch. A few stocks to watch. HD reporting earning now. And yeah, we got a little jump for it. HD reporting earning at the moment, guys. We got not good earnings, but good revenue. That's why the price pulled back up. So TMC, guys, is still on the green side. We got a nice jump for it currently. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Sam, Lizzie, Brenda. How everybody doing? DT 900. Boom, boom. Good morning, Jim. Let's go. No sound. ABS Shame said no sound. No, I wasn't speaking earlier. I just was focusing on the market. Alexander, who's your friend? Who's your friend that told you SMCI will go toward the 38? Bonjour, George. QBTS, Rudy. I will check. George, wish if the market pulled back, and I think you sold all your stocks. This is a normal psychology because if you sold, you feel that you're missing out. And if you bought, you want the stock to hold the gain. And both mindset are loserly. Both mindset is not good. You have to let it go. If you sold, let it go. Don't wish anything. Wish is not good, man. Wishing is not good. Wishes only apply if you live in Disney World. And you're gonna have a genie who give you all the wishes you want. But in real life, wishes doesn't work. QPTS. 19% got a bit of support here around the 13. We got a little more support over the 14. Now is around almost the 16. QBTS. Yeah, it need to hold over the 1350 if we want to continue this jump toward the 20. But it's not on my main list. TMC, it need to go toward the 5 for today because we got our breakout today early on before the market open. We got SMCI, everybody waiting for SMCI to break the 46. The 46. Yeah, we're still inside this trend, guys, for SMCI. We need to break out from it. We need a breakout. Tesla, nice reversal yesterday. We did almost 4%. It's almost near the all-time high here. We're missing just 1%. The same for NVIDIA. Okay, so for today we got BLMZ, we got NRXS, the same, looking all right. Mullen, yeah, we have a huge jump yesterday. It pulled back. DT wish for 500K funded account. You see, guys, wishing kind of it's really a trap that make you to not think realistically. It's good to wish for the best, but I think this is a recipe for disaster, for living a sad life, because if you don't get what you wish for, you'll be like a baby screaming because you need the teddy bear or the ice cream, and if you don't get it, you get angry because you don't get what you want. But life doesn't care about what you want, you know, doesn't care. So wishing doesn't matter. Wishing is really bad. But we grow up in this kind of Disney World cartoon that they tell you to wish. Yeah, the real life wishing doesn't work, but planning and realistic thinking is the way to go in trading, at least. If you want to wish to fly, you know what's gonna happen to you. You know what's happened for a lot of people who wished to fly back then? They all got killed. I'm not saying you can't fly, but you have to use science, man. You have to use science. Because if you don't use science and you say, I could fly, thank you. You know what I mean. You're gonna be ended up in heaven or hell. I don't know what's your situation. Anyway, so here we are back in the real world, guys. In the real world, we don't wish, we make things happen. Never wish, but we make things happen. How we make things happen is, of course, checking our technical, checking our plan, and go with them. But if you wish for the price to go up for any stocks and you're just watching the chart without doing your due diligence, you're gonna end up losing money. You might be lucky and get money one or two times, but the third time could kill you. So let's get right to it. TMC doing fantastically good. We have some kind of volatility here. As you can see on our broker here, we have a huge wick before the market open here. Huge drop for TMC. And this drop just tested the bottom around the 4. but we're still holding. But this is the kind of volatility because the stock is light on volume, so doesn't matter and is not shown here on TradingView. And RXS still holding, guys, below the 7. BLMZ the same. SYTA still the same. So we've got 4 stocks here looking all right, not completely bad. BLMZ, yeah, we have it. Yeah, we only got 2 here. This one is light on volume, guys. AAPJ, not good. We got IN, we got SYTA, we got PRPH. Let's check this list. PRPH. I think we checked this one yesterday. SATX. We got SYTA. I think I already checked it. And GGII. Okay, let's check those stocks out before the market open and be ready for the market. I'm gonna delete some stocks for the list just in case. Okay, bull is getting hammered. Interesting. PRPH, yeah, jumping, but I don't like the technical that much. If we broke the 50 cents, yeah, it might be good. SATX just jumped now. This one could pump down any minute. Yeah, it's too risky. And this one, nope. So I'm gonna keep PRBH just in case if it jumped later on. NRXS. Already checked this one, brother. We said the 7, it is the target to break. It is too dangerous for my opinion. I don't like it that much. Because I think we hit the top target just below the 7. If we broke the current support around the 549, we might have a dip toward 434 and the bottom around the $3.21. So I'm gonna keep those 3. TMC is pulling back a bit. We got 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes. Tesla is pumping. We got a bit of pump for Tesla. Yeah, BLMZ, it need to break this level, guys, around the 29. Night trader, about the stock screener. There's a bit of glitch if you want to have stocks instead of crypto. So just go directly on the screener here. When you go on trading view, go on product, go on screener, and just go for stocks. This is the easy way because there's I think a glitch in trading view. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. We've got a few minutes left. Let us bring our disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today. Let's see what we've got. We got 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes left. Guys, don't forget disclaimer for today. Remember, our live stream is a bit delayed. Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. We're not financial advisor, guys. And of course, remember always let the price come to you and never run after the price. We always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open, guys. So remember, always come early, 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, always on our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss the market. If you want to have access to our Discord, guys, the only way to access our Discord is going toward our Patreon. Pick one of those 3 levels. The Discipline Hunter already sold out, so you have the King or the Elite, which give you the access to our Discord freely after you access or subscribe to our Patreon. Not just follow our Patreon, but you have to choose one of our those levels, because you could just follow our Patreon, but you don't have access to our content on Patreon. So this is kind of a bit of confusing, because we got a lot of people ask me that they are already follow me on Patreon, but they don't have access to our live streaming, our alerts, like what we did yesterday for SYTA before the breakout here. So if you want to have access to those charts after the market, after we finish our live streaming here, and before even the pre-market or during the pre-market open for pre-market watch list, on mini alerts, you could just go on Patreon, choose one of those level, and then you could have access to those Discord live alert shorts. I'll put the link again on the live chat section, just in case if you didn't see it in the comment section. And let us get right to it, guys. The market is about to open at any second. And don't forget, guys, to hit the like button on the way in. And if you spotted any stock, let us know here in live chat section. That's why we do our live streaming daily, guys, to support each other and hunt together the market, because the market is like a jungle. And we are try to not get hunted by the scavengers and hyenas. SYTA could break trend here. Yes. Exactly, John. For a revised level before the market open, we got just 40 seconds. We got SYTA. We have the support. The first one is over the 555. Current resistance and profit taking is around the 730. If we bumped, we have the 9 as a top target. If we didn't, we're gonna have a huge pullback toward the bottom, for my opinion, just around the 450. And the ultimate bottom is around the 287. BLMZ, we have the support just over here, the 20 cents. Current resistance profit taken is the 29. We might test it. If we don't break it, we're gonna go down to the 16 and the 10. If we broke it, we're gonna have the 37 and the 69. Lastly, TMC, it pulled back. If we held right now, it would be good to go toward the $5, which is the target, and then the 590. Now it's pulling back a lot, so be careful. We have the support for TMC around the $3.92. The market is open, guys. Let's get right to it. We've got SMCI is pulling back. Yes, of course, it's pulling back. We got Tesla jumping up like crazy, going toward the 364. And SMCI, guys, we need to break the 46.38 for today to squeeze up toward the $50. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is doing crazy right now. We got SYTA. Yes, it's trying to go higher. It's still holding. BLMZ doing all right. TMC, okay. Yeah, BLMZ is the strongest here. This one testing the support. PRPH, game over. PTIX, kind of not good here. Mullen pulling back 12%. Yeah, BLMZ looking great here. Aman said, what happened for TMC? TMC, we got light volume, guys, and high slippage. That's why we have this wick in the market, as we discussed it early. We have a huge wick usually happen when we have this kind of volatility and light volume for stocks. BLMZ, we got squeezed up, guys. BLMZ looking great. The only one that looking great right now because it broke the resistance, the 29 going toward the 37. So BLMZ looking great. BLMZ, guys, looking great. BLMZ, watch out, guys, is going toward our target profit around the 37 because we held the 20 cents. Yes. TMC is pulling back from the 480. Yes, TMC good for now. If we pull back, we need to hold here just over the 420, or yes, even here is good over the $4. The bottom is the $2.84. The reversal toward the $5. For BLMZ, yes, we have a huge wick. The 37 is the target right now for BLMZ. Yes, just below the 38. And after that, we have the 58. 38 and 58 for BLMZ. Tesla, unusual strong. I think we got some news for Tesla, guys. Tesla energy unit revenue rose 67%. Yeah, we got some action for Tesla. Nvidia going down. The market is still, yeah, not decided. Still not decided yet. BLMZ top target 38. TMC pulling back a bit. NRXS. This one I don't like it because we have a huge limit to buy on our broker. We are allowed to buy just 200 euros. That's why I took it from the list. BLMZ, the TMC is still holding. Current target to hold is over the $4. BLMZ, we need to test the 38 before a pullback. Do we have any stock got halted lately? Let's check. Yes, we got USCA. And the other one is Glow. Below the video. Those two just got halted right at the market open. I think one of them. The rest, the other one is got halted, yeah, before. Yeah, both of them, they are not good. So let's double check. QIPT. I don't know if we covered this one early. QIPT. No, we didn't cover this one. Yeah, QIBT looking all right. I think we got the reverse split for this. It's getting near a resistance here. And I think we got earnings early. Yeah, earnings back in May, 12th of May. Yeah, almost 10 days ago. We have a huge flush and now recovering. So this one recovering from a huge flush from the earnings, almost 30% or more. From the two, we went until almost the $1.30. So yeah, this one could have a huge correction, QIBT, guys. Not bad in the big picture. Top loser for today, we got PTIX and Mullen. Those two guys were top gainer yesterday, and now they are top losers. You see, things could change really quick. BLMZ is a bit dangerous right now after the breakout, brother. So the stop loss, it is getting a bit, yeah, the stop loss or the main support is over the 20. For now, if we want to go higher, we need to hold over the 23. So yeah, this one is a bit drastic. So yeah, your entry was really a bit late here, around the 31. So the best entry was just near here before this breakout. But yeah, watch out for the 2366 because if we broke this one as me, we're gonna flush down and it will be a bit risky. The main support is just around the 20. But now it's still holding. So if we jumped again toward the 34 or 38, you could exit really quickly. Now it's 30. Still have a struggle. SYTA, nothing much. TMC, nothing much. Yeah, BLMZ, still nothing. It's pulling back after this breakout that happened around the 28. This one is a bit risky, guys. So if you want to enter, don't enter with a huge position because you see how much it pulled back. It pulled back a lot. Every time it jumped, it pulled back a lot. Here, it pulled back almost 30%. Here, pulled back 30%. Here, pulled back 30%. So stop loss should be 30% at least. Yeah, that's why it pulled back now. BIAF. I took it from the list, my brother. I think is not good. I took it from the list. Let's check again. Yeah, it's not good anymore, man. I don't like it. Current resistance now is around the 188. And the profit taken is around the 216 and even 188. Current support that we should hold if we don't want to have a flush is over the 148, but I don't like it anymore. BIAF disappointment. Didn't put it on the main list now, brother. I don't put it on even our list. I took it from the list. BIAF. That's why it's not good anymore. Yeah, it broke the support, so it's game over. QIBT, BLMZ is pulling back. TMC, we have a pullback for the market right now. Everything's pulling back. So this is normal. We have a pullback market now. Let's check cryptos. Bitcoin is still pulling back around the 1,104. However, Bitcoin not bad over the 100. So the 100 is the technical level. I still didn't update it, the level for cryptos. I might do now today, because last time we updated for Ethereum for reversal from 1,400, for XRP from the reversal from the 1,200. We have this reversal back in May or April, yes, last month. Every month we do update here on our Hunter channel, guys. Last time we did for Dogecoin to reverse from the 14 cent. So we're gonna do another update for cryptos, guys, later on. Don't forget, we're gonna do a major update later on. BLMZ is started to reverse a bit. Nice. SYT, nothing. TMC, nothing. So guys, watch out. BLMZ started to reverse. Okay, now it's 30. Make sure, guys, to exit with a little profit here around the 33. We might have a pullback. Now 30. Make sure to take profit, my brother. Exit with a little profit here around the 33 and the rest around the 38 to lower your risk for BLMZ, because it's a bit risky here. BLMZ, guys, this is it here. I think we have a big seller around the 33. If we broke, would be great for entry again, but now is too dangerous for BLMZ. Below the 33 is a bit dangerous. Now 33, nice. 34, yes, sir. We have another breakout, guys. 38 is the target, but make sure to take profit right now, my brother. 38 is strong resistance. So make sure to take profit right now before the 38, because we're already up 48% on this trade. We have a limit to buy 1,000 shares. That's why we have just 1,000 shares here. In Europe, we have a limitation, guys. So now 37. I think the 37 is the current resistance. So I'm gonna exit here. Yeah, good hunt, guys, for BLMZ, because we almost hit the target around the 38. George, who's asking me about this? Wanna be wizard. Hopefully you took your profit. Wanna be wizard. Hopefully you took your profit on BLMZ. Nice, nice, nice. BIF. Hopefully you took your profit, Wanna be wizard, because you ask me now about where's the stop loss for BLMZ, because you entered around the 31. We hit the 37, so it was really good exit before our profit taking the 38. We said the support is around the 23. We pull back here, you see, and now we push back up. You entered around the 31, around this wick, pull back. You don't have to panic because we're still holding the support. We reverse. Now we triggered our profit taking. Dexter, we already discussed the stop loss for BIF for BLMZ. Why you say there's no correct answer? The correct answer is here, 23. Correct answer is the 23. We held, we reverse. You don't have to make it complicated. If you don't have a correct answer for the stop losses, mean don't enter. Simple as that. Now, yeah, we almost hit the 38. QIBT, nothing much. SYTA, nothing much. TMC, nothing much. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I wanna be wizard. Nice hunt, my brother. This is what's up. This is what's up. Good, man. This is a good lesson for you, brother. A good lesson for you is to be composed, emotionless, like uh, like you have to be emotionless, like a vampire, ready to suck. You have to be like a vampire, ready to hunt. AMD next support done for wannabe wizard. You are welcome, man. Yeah, this is how we do, guys. We have to be really quick in and out. You don't have to overtrade. This is the most important thing. Night Trader asks about BBAI. I will check it for you, my brother, right now. BBAI pulling back a lot. Yeah, BBAI just hit the 436. Got bad earnings early this month. Have a bottom around the bottom that we might visit, guys, is around the $2. For now, we should hold over this support to the 291 to break the 430 and go toward the 5 and the 570 and the 679. For now, we are below the current resistance, 436, but not bad. Still holding the 291. BLMZ, guys, is have a bit of struggle here to break the current resistance around 38. We hit the 38 precisely, and now have a bit of trouble to go toward the 58. SYTA reversing from the bottom. TMC trying to reverse as well. The rest of the markets, nothing. A man typing out. I'm wondering what's question you've got, man. BLMZ is still holding the gains. Let's see. We got Premier Sport, PBC, oh man, AS, Amir Sport. I think this one have earnings, that's why jumping like this. Earnings were Tuesday, yesterday. Exactly. This one have earnings, 20 billion market cap. Yeah, we got all-time high. This one did really great, 15%, 16% jump. Not bad. The other one, we got PPC, Tesla. Mm, mhm. ADBL doing all right here. Yeah, doing all right, breaking out here. Yeah, ADBL guys broke out. We got a new level for ADBL guys, new support over the 287, and current resistance and profit taking, it is around just below the $4. Yeah, look fantastic. Okay, we got EDBL, and the other one, I think we've got something here for MJLB. MJLB. But not good. Um, price, I think 5 and below. No. 0.10 maybe. This has changed a lot. Perfection. Get SATX. I think we already have SATX. Wow, SATX has just jumped like crazy. TNMG. Okay, this one doing all right as well. However, getting near the $1 target, which is the pullback zone. TNMG looking all right. I'm just checking for another stocks might be good to watch. The rest are dead. Yeah, this is the only stock that's looking great currently, guys. TMG have a psychological level to break around the one. SATX, this one's too dangerous. I think we got an offering or something. Merger, yes, merger SATX. I will pass. EDBL already broke, getting near the 4. BLMZ didn't break the 38, so we have a struggle to break this resistance. Already took profit on it. For QIPT, the same, almost hit the target around the 219. TMC, guys, is pushing back up. TMC, guys, volume is bulking up. We might have some action for TMC from yesterday, main gainer from yesterday. Look at that. TMC looking great now to have a squeeze up. Let's see, HCTI and EDBL. EDBL, yeah, we already discussed ADBL or EDBL already. We got support as we discussed over the 288 resistant and profit taking just below the 4. We got ACTI. I don't trust it that much, man. I don't trust this one that much. It's too cheap, and yeah, it's I don't currently trust it that much. Resistance just below the 19. Support is not confirmed. So yeah, I will pass on this one. Uh, MLGO spiked and go down again. MLGO spiked. Whoa, MLGO, yes, it's not good, man. MLGO, too dangerous. Yeah, SMCI pulling back, but still holding the current support, guys, for SMCI. We got EDBL jumping, guys, getting near the $4 resistance. TNMG breaking out from the 1. So I'm gonna keep the main ones here. Yeah, BLMZ, TNMG, and EDBL. EDBL already hit the target right now, guys. So be careful. Mm-mm-mm. IXHL coming up here on the scan. ADBL, nothing much. TNMG, I think is halted. Let me double check if we are currently halted. Yeah, TNMG is halted. SYTA on halted. But yeah, TNMG is halted, guys, after it broke the $1. TNMG is unhalted right now around at $1.23. MSTR, some of you said MSTR. What's going on with MSTR? Nothing much happening to MSTR. Anyway, so MSTR looking great. Is going to all-time high MSTR, guys, toward the 450. I'm gonna keep it here, guys. MSTR looking all right. So as a reminder, guys, yesterday we did a really nice hunt for SYTA, one of the top stock that we traded yesterday on our Discord. We said the $3.60 is the breakout. We hit the 4 and the 5, and today did already jumped and hit the ultimate target around the $7.26. We took profit again around there, and now it's pulling back. The other stock that we discussed yesterday was TMC. We got many other stocks that did really great yesterday. We're gonna do another update later on our Discord, so don't forget to join us. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and our private community where we discuss the market for the precise entry and exit. For now, we have a pullback for EDBL, TMG is pulling back, BLMZ, TMC. TMC doing all right now for a correction. Yeah, it's not bad. It pulled back at the market open, now it's pushing back up. So yeah, TMC is still going strong. So we're gonna discuss all those stocks later on, guys, on our Hunter channel. If you want to join, guys, the link comes section below. And of course, first you have to join our Patreon. The link comes section below. Once you access our Patreon and subscribe to our community and Patreon, you could have access to our Discord and our chart update for mini stocks, swing trade, day trade, even cryptos. We're gonna do update for them later on our Discord. In the meantime, guys, thank you for watching and see you back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And for now, TNMG, guys, it's pulling back, so it's a bit risky because it's kind of hit a target here just below the 145. So the 145, it is the top target for TNMG. After that, we might have a huge pullback. For now, we got a bit of yeah, the levels is a bit risky for this one because the bottom is a bit far around the 51. So this one is a bit risky, brother John. I don't trust it that much here. So TNMG is too risky to play because the resistance is around the 145. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow. We're gonna do update, of course, for MSTR later on, guys, on our Discord channel to do the short because it reversed really nicely from the bottom. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow exactly at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, put the notification on in order to be notified once we go live. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all by tomorrow.